What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on XYO guys. As you guys can clearly see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing. It has pumped up over 24% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just about half a cent. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it, take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So essentially we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and long term as well. So over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can XYO go, and is it crypto worth holding or worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and of course we do have XYO as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, in the last hour itself, it has bumped up 5% in value, which is quite huge, especially when it's within an hour. Over the last day, 24% up. Over the week, 26%. And over the month, it is down 5%. As you can see, consistent drops here in the second half of April, and big all the way from in May as well, all up until literally about yesterday, where it started to slowly pump in value. But overall, it has been dropping quite heavily over the last 4 weeks. As you can see, it was down about 26% for the last 4 weeks as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up to about $5.5 million in the last 24 hours. Only reason has gone up is of course the value has gone up as well. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, and especially that it's one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. We are going to see a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which is here in purple at 0.004353 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at just about 0.005 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? The orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line, and the blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. It's not looking too steep. As you can see, it does look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely guys, it is just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards early morning tomorrow to tomorrow midday, we should be seeing XYO going for an overall minimal increase in value. Nothing too crazy guys. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to hit red candles in between as well, up and down, quite volatile. But once again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, potentially heading up to about 0.0054 to 0.0055 cents is what my predictions are. Now let's move on to the hourly chart. Over the next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, as you guys can clearly see, meaning over the next week or so, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, we should see XYO once again going for an overall increase in value, and at this point I'm expecting it to hit about 0.006 cents by mid next week, again depending on how the crypto market performs, but at the moment it is looking quite bullish. However, do expect red days, do expect drops in between, but in this case guys, the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from XYO over the next week or so. But again, when I say increase in value, it doesn't mean a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, so don't expect anything huge from XYO anytime soon. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, we're still looking bullish, however we're not looking as realistic. As you guys can clearly see, the blue line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. The only reason why it's looking this steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks it's going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case guys. This is not realistic, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say by early to mid July 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from XYO. So potentially heading over the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from this crypto by mid to late July 2023, or even higher than that, depending on how Bitcoin itself performs and how the crypto market performs as well. Obviously, if Bitcoin pumps up to 35, 40, 45k, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. However, if it does manage to drop down below 20k, then we are going to see major red candles in the crypto market. But hopefully we do move towards a positive direction guys. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO. So the main question, as mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it likely to hit 10 cents guys? Again, we're way too far away from the 10 cents target. I'm not expecting XYO to be hitting 10 cents this year, but potentially Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting XYO to be hitting the 10 cents target. Again, depending on how the crypto market performs, because the crypto market in general has a major impact on every crypto out there, especially Bitcoin. Most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin, so it all depends on how Bitcoin performs, and obviously any collaborations or partnership that XYO itself goes through that can have a potential positive or negative impact on its value. But yeah guys, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting XYO to be hitting 1 cent, and when are you guys expecting it to hit 10 cents? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also comment down below if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to cover those cryptos for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it guys. Before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that stuff. You know what to do. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.